Hi everyone, this is Emilio Nájera, and this is my final prototype for my individual project, which is the redesign of the Coursera profile section, specifically for a mobile application, for the mobile application. This specific prototype is structured based on the information gathered from previous phases of the project and also based on the design heuristic design at the beginning of the prototyping and brainstorming planning. So this specific prototype consists in four different sections. The first one is the profile information and general education statistics. As you can see here, there is this component showing the overall completion ratio based on the number of active courses and the number of completed courses. You can see also some basic information like the number of courses done and the number of courses enrolled, the number of hours used of application used during this week, and also some other information like the active courses. So this specific section was made taking into account some of the design heuristic concepts like the visibility of the system status. So it is useful and also easy for users to see key information about the learning progress specifically. The second section is the certificates and achievements section, which is a feature that is already within the current Coursera application. And essentially, it helps users to share specific certificates. For this specific prototype, it was also created some interactive functionality that can be good for users to visualize the complete certificates in some cases. The third specific section is the learning statistics, where more granular information is provided for users, like for example the current streak in a weekly basis. So it is possible to see on a weekly basis all the different days of the week and the specific hours that the student has been using the platform, and also the average completion. In case user wants more granular information, it can toggle this specific button and more information can be displayed. So this was also keeping in mind like some gamification and some important heuristics so users can be more motivated on completing more courses. And last but not least, there is also this section, which essentially is our recommendation sections, where users can see based on the specific courses taken, like new recommendations of new courses that might be appealing to them. This is just like an additional section to encourage users to keep using the platform and to make progress in the learning process, but also can be closed in case the recommendation it is not useful for users and it will disappear, right? So this is my final prototype uh, based on the specific information of the design heuristic described during the project.